Ay, yung host may ngipin. Ayaw ng host nag-start ng ano, hindi sarado, di ba?
Guys, kapag nag 1,000 may a-announce kami.
Ano?
May comeback.
May bago kaming song.
481 na! Parang tumo ni
Ano?
Ano pa ba?
So guys, thank you po sa mga nag-send po ng gift dyan. And sa mga nag-share the live and liking the live, thank you.
Pero nyo na to sa lola nyo, sa nanay nyo,
Sa buong pamilya nyo na.
sa buong barangay.
So, tropa nyo.
500 na!
So, top! Maraming live.
Parang nagla-live selling.
Bakit daw kalahati lang si Al?
Mysterious host.
Mysterious host.
Please welcome. Papakilala ka na ba namin? Papakilala ka na. Oh my God!
Hindi magiging landscape.
Go, JC.
Uy! Papakilala natin si Alex! Malamig ah. Papakilala natin si Alex. Ay, it's the perfect temperature ko. Yung host pa. Papakilala natin yung host.
Papakilala natin yung host.
Please welcome. Papakilala natin si Alex. So please welcome. Please welcome. The most talented CS talent. The most influenced person. The most outstanding. The most trendsetter. Please welcome. Mommy team. Yeah. Ay, hindi ba? Ito pala. Please welcome Alexander Noel. May defect pa siya, guys. Hindi na tuloy ang kamba.
Ay, nagre-release ka naman.
Welcome to another live! I want to say hello to our 500 million and thousand of viewers.
100 na.
Oh, what a great news to everybody! So right now, we are welcoming the newest.
Pero sana kita
Sana kita ka.
We are welcoming the newest, the boldest, and the comeback of the most awaited. Ooh. Another group of the year. Let's welcome Aja. Every day, season day. We are Aja. Hello po, my name is Aj. Hello po, my name is JC.
Hi guys, my name is Axel. And yung isa po naming member, kukunin lang po namin dito sa gilid.
Okay.
Labas ka dito, huwag ka mahiya. Labas ka dito.
Oh, ito na siya! Hello po, my name's Alex. So yeah guys, so what are we talking about is that we are welcoming the newest comeback of the most awaited P-pop group right now. Aja, so I heard that you guys had an upcoming song. Yeah. That will be released this 12 midnight, right?
Yeah!
Oh, so can you tell the feels?
Can you tell the feel?
Can you tell me what you feel?
Okay, you first.
Me first.
Okay. Mahaba-haba dapat.
Dapat mga 30 minutes each.
Okay. Silence muna, silence.
Mas walang selected pa.
Actually guys, nag-iisip ako kahapon pa lang. Kasi lakas na ulan kahapon.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos nakikinig ako sa music.
Yeah.
Parang naisip ko, parang ang ganda kung may bagong kantang ilalabas yung mga P-pop groups.
Oh.
Tapos bigla akong may naririnig ako sa gilid ng tenga ko. Tima Torbe! Sorry, Tima Torbe! May naririnig akong ganun.
Oh.
Tapos naisip ko, ang tagal na pala nilang nag-release ng song mga 9 months ago.
Oh, 9 months ago. So that was September 7, 2025?
Yes!
23!
Yeah, so that was
Guys.
9 months ago. I heard that Aja debuted September 9, 2020.
7.
September 7, 2023.
Yeah.
With an EP album for you.
Yeah. That
You can,
consists 4 songs.
yeah, 4 songs
Which
with
is-
a honey which are Torpe, Cupcake, Honey, and Bessie Ever. Wow. And I'm so really, wow. I said it. I'm so excited for this wonderful and the newest, boldest comeback ever. So, what are the other felt?
Di pa ako tapos.
Kwento pa lang siya.
Nasa intro pa lang ako, wala pa ako sa body.
Okay.
So,
Nice.
yung nakasave lang na
Sa songs.
yung nakasave lang na song sa Al4 lang. Parang kailangan pa ng isa.
Oh, so it will be 5.
Yes.
May narinig ako ng Panfusion. Tama ba? May narinig ako ng Panfusion, parang may narinig ako. Best I love you, ganun. Oo, tapos, ayun, yun na yun. Feel ko
It was a very delighted performance.
yeah. Oh, ano pa?
Kasi what do you felt? What do you feel? What do you felt it when the comeback is coming down na?
I'm very, very so much excited, guys. Kasi, grabe.
It has been 9 months from September
9 months.
7,
So,
2023.
bilangin natin 9 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 months!
Oh!
Ayun guys, super excited ako na maglalabas na kami ng new song. Kasi, simula pa lang to guys, ng ng...
May fireworks.
Oh!
Celebration.
Simula pa lang to.
Celebration.
Simula pa lang to. Simula pa lang to ng bagong era.
Bagong yugto.
Ay,
Oh, in Tagalog.
sabihin yung to in English.
Chapter.
Oh yeah, chapter.
Okay,
Yeah.
yun na
A
yan.
new
So,
beginning.
It's a new beginning.
Yeah.
So it's like we came from the longest time,
Longest break?
and it felt like we're an earthquake.
Oh my gosh! And I feel Typhoon too.
Oh.
Kamusta mo natin sila? Hello po sa 700
Oh!
viewers!
Kapag nag-1K ito, maglalabas si Alex ng...
Tuloy mo!
ng
Ng song cover.
Kaka-release mo lang.
Song cover ng aming newest comeback, Best I Love You solo version ni Alex.
Sorry lang. Okay na.
Oh, next na.
Tuloy. Tapos na yun.
Yeah, what others felt?
Oh!
Magbasa tayo ng comments.
Host, ano nangyari sa host?
Ang sabi dito is, basta ng ilang comments.
Sabi ng nasa gilid, magbasa ng comments.
Sabi one time i-release.
Ang cute yan.
When daw,
Walang nakaganon. Walang
when
nakaganon.
daw ang mall tour?
When daw ang mall tour?
Tapos sinabi.
Tapos na.
Yes.
Hindi.
Ano tapos na?
Abangan nyo.
Wait, bago yan, mag-aim muna tayo. Okay, next.
Hello po sa mga taga. Anong oras daw i-release?
It's gonna be released 12 midnight this July 26.
Mamaya.
Mamaya.
Kaya na yun.
May spoiler ba ng DC dyan?
Oh.
Oh.
Pag 1K viewers magre-release, ay release.
Magre-release?
Spoil kami ng, one step.
Oo.
Hello sa 800 viewers!
Tapos kapag nag-2K, magre-release, mag-spoil pa kami ng isang step. O, so pag 2K, dalawang step na yun. Asin nyo pa, guys.
Yes. Oh!
Ay.
Ay, wala.
Uy, host, ano ba?
Ano ba
Oh
yung
yeah,
host?
so
Ano ba yung host?
yeah, so
May nabasa, can you tell us about the song?
Oo.
Without spoiling it.
Oo, tell us daw.
Without spoilers.
Yung song po namin, funk pop. Tama ba?
Ano?
so right now, I'm a host. Why would I go?
Laruan nyo na sa isip ko, sorry guys.
Go, answer.
Pop rock.
Pop rock! Mali!
Pop, pop.
Pop, guys.
Yes,
Okay
right.
tayo dun.
Yes.
So, super ano yun po, it's about, di ba nang
For you, yeah.
natutorpe siya.
Oh.
Hindi siya makasabi ng feelings.
Oh.
So, sa comeback na to,
So it's like, oh, go, sorry.
sa comeback na to, medyo ano na siya, matapang, bro. Grabe, dude. I'm so excited for people to hear this song.
Oh, dude.
900
Bro, bro, super ano niya, cool.
Oh, dude.
Magugulat kayo, ay, Ajo ba nag-release nito?
Oh.
Eh, gagi. Ay, guys, abangan nyo.
Yes, tas parang from being torpe to best I love you. Oh!
That's a big step, dude.
I love you agad.
love you na.
Walang I like you. I love you na agad. Oh, kasalanan ng Ajo yun, mag-release kayo ng I love you. Magre-release nila ng kanta na I love you.
Yes. And from this, oh, a chicken. Oh, a duck. So after being like very very shy on the past EP for you, this time I think it's a step up for Aja to become more stronger to their feelings, much greedier and much happier. What's your felt?
Ano na yung feel?
Si Ash, Ash.
Ano na feel mo na magka-comeback ulit ng Aja? Kasi ako masaya.
Ako din masaya.
Sana ikaw di ka masaya ka din.
I feel,
Yeah.
Sana di ka masaya.
Vulnerable.
Guys,
Yeah.
English lang daw. English lang daw.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, let's go.
I feel very excited.
Oh.
I feel very happy.
Oh.
Because after 9 months, we're going to be
Yeah.
coming back
Like-
with a new song. A new song might be a better song.
Yeah.
Ooh. And we
Yeah.
really prepared hard this one.
Oh, very hard.
Yes. And
Yeah, super hard.
yeah. And I hope, and we don't hope. We know it will be worth it.
Ang ganda daw ng accent mo, pre.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love your accent.
Yeah, it's from my hometown.
Where is your hometown?
It's
Georgia.
no, Georgia. Jindalit?
Ano ba yan?
Okay, so
Uy, bumababa ng 800.
Oh!
Ah!
Wala nang first step.
Wow.
Oh, si Kuya JC naman.
What are your thoughts?
What about you?
Tagalog na lang.
You translate it.
I feel happy. Kasi ang tagal nating nagtotorbe tsaka naghahani ngayon.
Parang galit siya.
Parang ayaw.
Parang nanunumbat siya.
Wala na tayo hani. Sabi ko gano'n magtorbe na lang tayo habang buhay. Ganun. Pero ayun na. So ayun, meron na tayong bagong song.
Pag may nagkagalit, hindi daw nagkapit.
Oh. So ayun yun na. So
The right people.
oh yes, sa lahat ng mga tumulong para mabuo po yung song and
Yes.
music video. And,
Yeah.
ayun, sobrang, ayun na.
Yeah.
Eh,
Tell us
I
about-
wanna thank then the fans.
Oh,
Yeah,
what do they call
for
it?
being
There.
our honeys.
Oh, honeys.
Yes, our honeys for being patient.
Yeah, totoo.
Yeah, they really waited for us to come back
To
and
come back.
To the young.
Oh.
beautiful you.
So tell me what you felt when you were videoing the music video.
Oh, okay. So let's ask our creative director.
Happy.
Happy lang din.
Ayun, happy kasi lahat nagtutulong,
We're like building each other.
Yes.
Right?
To build the music video.
Right. No.
Ayun! Ano ba? Ayun na, tsaka, alam mo, nagla naman tayo ng gano'n, nag-work doon.
Yeah, watching.
But without your vision, it won't be happening.
Yeah.
Without your vision,
Next na na namin yung topic. Next. Ikaw na ko na.
Wait, kailan daw release ng music video niya?
Oh!
The music video will be released after right now.
Huh?
26, July 26 at 12 midnight. You will wait another 12
MV.
hours. Yeah, you will wait another 12 hours. So after you heard the song, you will sleep a little bit, and after that, the MV will be released after 12 hours. And wait, guys, we will come back here by 11 a.m. tomorrow in the morning. So see you in the pizza later.
Torpe pa rin ako kahit mag-release kayo ng new song.
Okay.
Hindi ka sure.
Saan ka masaya?
You're not sure.
Thank you.
Hindi ka naman maging torpe nang nagsasabi ng best I love you, di ba? Ay, parang nalungkot si Nagari.
Thank you po for loving our songs.
Pakita dito
Yes.
sila let's
Oh,
clarify.
ano na lang, 12 p.m. po bukas ang drop ng MV.
Yes.
Kasi tonight po, ng 12 a.m., we're gonna release the audio on all streaming
Audio.
Platforms. Then you can stream it all.
Yes.
Bakit?
Okay, so next.
Ano po ba ito? Tungkol ba ito sa best friend zone?
Oh. I think your Jesus knows
If
the
you,
answer.
if you didn't know po,
What?
Hello. Ano ba?
if you don't know,
You don't do.
if you don't know, ito na.
Now you know.
I-reveal na ba natin to?
Oh my gosh. Oh, let me below.
Ano?
Let me bulong.
Oh.
Ito na nga po, if you didn't know po. Hindi kasi, ulit, but if you don't know,
Di ba tama din?
Tawagan niyo ako!
if you don't know,
If you don't do.
If hindi mo alam.
hindi nyo alam kasi, ito na the revelation. Ang nagsulat ng song natin ay walang iba, kundi si Mami D.
This was from her,
From the vault?
oh,
From the vault.
Ay, ayusin na.
from
Ay, ayun sa nagagalit.
At kung hindi nyo po alam, ang nagsulat po ng song po namin ay one and only.
Ate Bettina.
Ano ba yan? Ayusin niyo na.
O ito na nga, seryoso na talaga. If hindi nyo talaga alam, ito na ang nagsulat ng song namin. It's the one and only.
Vision.
Vision Fry! Ayun lang. Also,
So yun po, yung best I love you, tungkol siya sa di ba kapag may best friend kayo ng bata, parang palagi mo inaabangan. Ay, parang pangit naman pakinggan nun. Inaabangan. Parang,
Ina-admire.
you always admire
Yeah.
You always
someone.
admire.
Kahit from afar.
Yeah, from afar, ganun.
How far?
Kunyari, ikaw, best friend kita.
Oh.
Ay, ayoko.
Ay,
Ayoko.
1K na.
1K na! Sabi niya mag-drop kayo ng isang
One step.
One step. Go, JC.
One step lang ha.
Pakilala niyo yung choreographer niyo.
Oh!
Ahem.
If you didn't know,
ano ba talaga yun?
ang choreographer po namin, one and only. Siyempre, huwag na tayo lalayo po si JC.
Drop.
Drop since ikaw ang choreographer. Ikaw
Saan
po.
yung gano'n natin? Ay, gano'n. Okay, gets.
Are you ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Nice one. Another 2K would be the second step.
Oh, kapag nag-100K, malalabas na yung buong sayaw.
Yes.
Okay, so pa isang step nun. 1, 2, 3, go!
Good, right?
Can you share po the adjustment na ginawa niyo while preparing for the song?
One step.
Oh.
Ganito guys.
Pangit ka usap.
Thank you.
Ano yung adjustment?
May rap verse ba si Ash dito?
Ay!
Oh. You don't know.
Let's find it out.
Pakinggan
Find
natin
it out.
mamaya. Mamaya pakinggan nyo. mapapakinggan nyo mamaya sa Spotify and sa music,
Apple
Apple
Music.
Music, YouTube Music.
Yeah, gosh, shit.
Sa Fabric Music.
So pre-save na habang may oras pa.
Yes.
Yeah, so that when it comes
So, PM guys.
Oh,
Pwede daw bang isang torpe bago niyo bitawan?
Oh, we're gonna be a story.
oh.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. Di mo torpe. Sana di mo
Why are you laughing? Not just because you co-write the song of Bless I Love You. My skills.
May isa bang torpe torpe farewell version.
Ano?
Farewell
Yung
version.
ano? Balad.
1, 2, 3, now.
Balad ba?
Yes.
Acoustic. Balad.
Kaya nagulat ako, may balat pala yung
Hindi naman reveal.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, now.
Di mo torpe. Sana di mo torpe.
Dali, kulang yung song. Wala yung harmony mo.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Di mo torpe. Sana di mo torpe. Sana di mo torpe.
Stop laughing, guys.
Whistle doon.
Thank you so much po sa mga nag-stream ng Honey and Torpe.
And
Sa
Coffee
mga-
Cake.
and Coffee Cake.
Best day ever.
Sa lahat ng mga songs po namin sa ilang buwan na yun lang yung kanta namin. And maraming salamat sa pag-stream, sa pakikinig.
Yes.
Nandito pa rin kayo nakikinig. So ngayon may bago kaming gift sa inyo. Ayaw na sana magustuhan nyo.
Labas yun na guys.
Play.
Play.
Live reaction. Okay na! Tuloy mo naman na yung ano mo. Yung
Hosting mo.
Oo nga, para di ka na nag-host.
So I heard that we got a game to start it right now. Yeah, so for this game, the code game is Bawal Tumawa Challenge.
Oh.
So each member will be given 5 minutes to
Oh my
make
God.
other member laugh. Well, the member said, by the way.
Oh my God. I can play this.
So, this will gonna be like, ang sabi dito, ay each member will be given 5 minutes to make other member laugh.
Oh.
While the members napapatawanin may water sa bibig.
Oh.
Ano ba yung nagsulat?
Again.
So, ito po ang
merong
aming...
tatlong members maglalagay ng kanilang bibig sa kanilang bibig at ang isang miyembro ay magpapatawa sa 5 minuto.
So, ito po ang aming tissue.
Kung kaya mo.
So, nakita nyo po, hindi po siya malama.
Okay, una. Sino una magpapatawa?
Si
Sino?
Alex.
Alex. Okay. So si Alex ang first.
Alex ang...
Di ba, start ko lang.
Ay, oo.
So konti lang baka naman matodo. Ay, uminom na siya. Uhaw naman pala.
Baka diba, okay na.
Okay.
Ganun na lang. Wala tayong ano.
Wag madami ha.
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay. Alex, you have 5 minutes para mapatawa yung Aja. Ready? Wala ba? Tumatawa na? And go!
Hello everyone. To start up this wonderful evening, I would like to thank everyone who's been occupying this space. So right now, we're experiencing a new one to build our new song. So to start off, I would like to sing something. Are you ready? Look at my face. Look at my face, please. Risky only to fall. Oh, they're not laughing here. So right now, I don't know what to do. So, oh, you're not drinking something. So basically,
Tanggal na si Axel.
so I don't know what to laugh, but
I don't know what to laugh.
so guys, laugh counterpart. I don't know what to do, guys. So basically, oh, I know what to laugh.
Hi!
This is prohibited for the 3 members of Glory. This masterpiece has been a really good thing for me, and I believe this will also be good to everyone. Okay, I want you to show your real reactions. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, beautiful.
Subukan mo. Subukan mo.
So that person is really important to us and a very interrogative person. And
Si Axel, kanina niya pa iniinom ng tubig.
so yeah,
Wala na. Tanggal na si Axel.
okay na, bye guys. I give up.
Okay, next may
one
napatawa ka.
person.
May 1%. Okay, next. Si JC. JC, ikaw naman.
Hindi kaya ko hindi tumawa.
Kaya mo dito mo, pero inom ka ng inom ng tubig.
Laro ka, Axel. Ininom yung tubig.
Ma-dry daw, ma-dry.
Guys, pag singer, dapat palagi nag-drink water.
Yeah, and nag-gargle.
Ang ginargal mo?
Yan, naman. Start na ba? Hi guys! Uy!
Wala.
Wala pa. 1, 2, 3. Action na.
Action.
Hello! Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Hello, sir. Nakabahan lang. Hi. Oh. Hello, my name is JC. What's your name? Oh, no talk. What's your name? Oh, Alex. Oh, Ash. Oh. Ano gawin ko dito?
Guys,
Ang tanggal na naman si Axel.
okay. Tanggap ko na guys.
Naiiyak ko! Mami, namumula ko! Ayoko nga. Sorry. Hindi ko talaga ano magbibitawan guys. Magpapanood na lang ako video. Nagpapanood din ako ng video eh. Ito na lang. Meron akong video sa inyo. Wait, may time pa po?
2 minutes.
Oh my God, wait!
Inom na lang ulit ako para ba?
Ito. Very good na. Ito na lang pala. Rock and roll! Ito na lang. Hindi ko na alam. Magpapanood na lang talaga ako ng video sa inyo. Guys, wait lang. 1 minute. O, may isa na ako napatawag.
Ako din, ako ulit.
Patakot mo din sa kanila para matawa. Ito na. Huwag na, hindi kailangan magpatawa. Okay na yun, ma'am.
And cut.
Oh my God!
Oh, so isa lang din. Okay, Axel na.
Thank you po.
Sing water, ganun.
Guys, hindi ako marunong ito.
May tubig pa ba yan? Okay.
Ready?
Ready? And go.
Hi guys. Wait lang, babasa. Stay strong down.
Bisa lang natatawa.
Ito eh. Papakit na lang po ako. Nakaya pala yung ganito.
Guys, may kukwento ko sa inyo. Kilala niyo si Daddy, di ba? Di ba ano yun? Nakatakot. Si Daddy nakatakot din. Tapos, baha kahapon. Baha. Tapos, may burger din sa swimming siya. Sabi niya, parang resort! Tapos sabi niya, Daddy, nakatawa yun. Tapos tumalungod kita. Sabi ni Daddy.
Ilagyan kita. Nag-share lang.
Sabi guys, wala na akong maiisip. Ano pa ba?
Ay, napatawa mo na si Alex.
Wala akong gusto. Ay, natawa ka, Alex. Natawa ka. Ang hirap naman ito. Ano pa ba? Ay, ba't ka natawa? Nakakatawa yun.
Okay, one.
Ay, ba't napatawa ako? Napatawa ako. Nakakatawa yun. Nakakatawa yun? Natawa ka, di ba? Natatawa. Ilang minutes pa?
2.
2 na lang. Ay, wag mo.
Ay, ay!
Wow! Tama yun.
Sa akin
Ano na natawa? Okay,
Si Kuya JC
next
na
na.
lang. Si
Ay,
Kuya
oh,
JC.
sige, okay, ako mata-champion mo si JC.
Kuya JC. Kamusta sa Bulacan? Okay lang. Nabaka ka doon. Nabaka ka din doon. Paano ka pupunta dito? Nag-motor ka pupunta dito.
Ay, nakuha na ako sa lahat!
Wow! Hello, Derek! Hindi ko expect, guys.
Yay! Congrats, Axel! Okay, Ash, laban? Kaya ba? Okay.
Ba't siya natawa?
Medyo may naaamoy na ako.
Saan? Saan?
Wala, paano ako mag-joke? Di ako marunong mag-joke.
Kapag kasabi nga niya yung joke. Okay.
Nakatawa si Axel. Cute mo na.
Ay, tingnan mo na kayo.
Okay, ready? Game?
Ay, Oy, tingin-tingin kayo sa mata ko ngayon. Wait lang, guys. Tatagalogin natin. Ay! Tatagalogin natin ang English words, okay? Okay. So, ano to? Hindi sila magsasalita, di ba? Hindi kayo mag... This is train rails. Hmm? Yes. Sa Tagalog, ayaw. Ayaw! Para dyan na tubig.
Okay.
Ayun.
Hindi kasi ako pag matagal sa bunganga ko.
Ay.
Ay, art.
Ayoko na.
Go!
Ay, ito ako Ay, kailan na yung time ko. Oh. Tatiin ka, yes. Aray ko. Ay, nanonood pa ba ng live?
1.1. 1.1.
And, panalo si Axel.
Yes.
Natatawa ko pag wag.
Hindi na.
Parang baliw. Nakakatawa. Tama na.
Oh, so.
Kaya balik sa host, balik sa host.
That was such a fun game brought to you by Aja. That was so very fun, Aja. At sabi dito ay basa comments ulit.
Mabasa tayo ng comments. Asan yung comments?
Ang sabi ng comment,
Sabi ko na mananalo si Axel.
Ayun.
Sabi.
Yes.
sabi ng comments pa, kailan po labas ng MV?
Oh, ang labas na
Para marinig mga viewers.
Ano raw yung Tagalog ng train rail?
Yeah, Siga. Real yes ng train.
Mali ka!
Siga?
Anong
Sa
English?
real...
Ng sigarilyo.
Sigarilyas yung ipapakita mo.
Oo nga pala, baliw. Oo nga.
Ayun, oo.
Ano siga in English? Stop.
Nabusog ako sa tubig, guys.
Real yes ng...
May question dito, may cameo ba ulit sa music video?
Ay!
Yes, at si
Akala ko sasabihin.
Kahawig gumamit in.
si Ate Tina na yun.
Si Ate Bettina.
Ate Bettina.
Si Emil.
Tanong magaling daw ba sumayaw yung magka-cameo?
Ate Bettina, pakitaan mo.
Grabe, sumayaw.
Ito naman na tayo ng live TikTok na Ate Tina.
O, isa pang tanong.
Ano daw?
daw ba?
Nonchalant era na si Alex.
Oh?
Era daw, nonchalant ira niya.
When daw kayo pupunta sa Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be going soon on a tour to Philippines on March.
After the release of Desert
May
Opera.
ba?
Yes.
July na?
cannot
July
understand
28, guys. We're
Yeah.
gonna be going
Sa
sa SM Preview.
In the Philippines.
Yeah.
In the Philippines. Yeah, in the Philippines. And after the SFR, we will be going outside the country again.
Again, okay.
August 1 on...
North. No, North. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, the August 2 on Northfield. And
Yeah, such a hectic schedule.
Hectic. Hectic.
after Northfield, where are we going?
We're going to...
Georgia.
Yeah.
Yes. We're going to Mexico.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pampanga.
Now we're gonna go to
To New
Venezuela.
And to the New York. Wow.
Yes.
We're going all around the world.
Yeah.
What's the song you really like at the moment?
Cupcake.
Coffee cake. Oh. I don't think that's the one you like, the song of yours.
You like Descendants?
Yeah, Descendants.
Sing the Descendants part.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm on the highway of this stretch. This is gonna be oh. That's the song.
Yeah.
How about you?
How about you?
It's
Hey, how about you?
How about you?
My favorite song right now
it is DME.
my LSS song right now is it's Red Velvet Cosmic.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Give us an example.
It's like the song is giving me a 90s vibe.
Oh, 90s.
Yeah.
I like Imelda Fafin.
Oh,
You know Imelda Fafin?
that?
Yeah. What? No. No. Yeah, I like Imelda Fafin.
Yeah, but can you give us an example of your favorite song? Like, can you give it to us?
My favorite song. Di ko naman.
Cosmic.
Cosmic.
energy.
That's it.
Oh, I love that.
And also I love Best I Love You.
Yes.
Oh, can you sing?
Oh, can you sing it?
Together? Oh. Okay. How about you? What do you think?
I have three.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Songs.
What song?
First, I like, you know, ano? XO by Enhypen.
Oh, sample. 1, 2, 3.
EXO. EXO.
The
It's
second
me.
one, I like Cherry on Top by Nini, you know that?
1, 2, 3, go. If you wanna sweet little sugar.
And the third one, I like Best I Love You.
Oh.
That's the best song.
Because it's best. Because it's best.
Yes, it's best.
When I listen to it, oh my god, I love the song.
Like, you're gonna say that, holy crap.
Holy crap!
I mean,
Oh, another one spoiler, non-spoiler. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wala ba to?
Yung ganon.
Oo.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, just looking at the dance step, I'm so happy right now. I love Best I Love You. Okay, how about you?
For me, I also have 3 songs. My family. Sikulo. Yes.
Give me a sample, give me a beat.
Paano yun?
Dali na guys.
hello po sa 900 viewers!
Hello.
Hello po sa inyo! Share the live! Share the live! Share the live! Kapag nag-1K ulit to, another step na.
Second step na yun,
Second step
guys.
na.
What's
O,
your,
1K na.
ano
Oh, go.
What's your favorite line?
Oh.
You're the love.
Sa song?
Hindi naman nila malalaman eh. Kayo muna.
Ano yung kantahin pa rin?
Ako gusto ko yung
Sige.
lyrics na ako na lang sana please.
May ganun ba?
Ibang kumanta
Ano
yun
lang sana, please? Saan dun?
May ganon!
Walang ganon.
Yun yung favorite line ko.
Uy,
Sana please, miss you so much.
walang ganon. Uy, 1K na.
1K.
Bumaba na.
Bumaba na. Like, share the live! Woohoo!
Ipe-perform niya raw ba yung new song sa SM Fairview?
Yes!
Hindi pa sure.
Bakit? Higpit mo naman.
Ba't ako ginano?
Guys, look at the trailer of Aja, teaser of the best LF.
Bakit?
Let's see if those Easter eggs are true. Ooh. Wow.
Nakita na yun yung ano.
Look at this. I love.
Nakita na yung isang step.
Yun pala dapat spoiler. Oh, may bago tayo spoil na step. Kasi, uy, nag-1K na!
Wala po.
Hindi lang para nga mapakita na yung step.
Pagkari ko na.
1K na ulit!
Another step is 1, 2, 3, go!
Huwag na magalahin. Hindi pa rin dapat. Joke lang.
So, yun. So, meron na tayong dalawa. Ano yung unang step? 1, 2, 3, go! Yung pangalawa, 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, favorite line. Ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman.
Favorite kong line is paru-paro sa chan lumilipad.
Walang ganon.
Meron nga tayo yung paru-paro sa chan lumilipad. Ito tayo, 1, 2, 3, go! Paru-paro sa chan lumilipad, hey! O, ikaw naman!
Hindi nga tuloy ako. Seryoso yun akin eh.
Oo, sige, samahan kita.
Favorite ko yung ano. Yung malalim. Pag ikay nakikita. Tapos may tinitignan kang iba sa school.
Oh, that's sad.
Parang layo naman yung sa barko.
Kaya pag nagtingin nga natin yung mga
Ano yung first line ko?
Tapos
Ako na lang
tumutunog sa
sana,
sunod.
please, baby, miss na kita.
Nakita. Oh, paro-paro sa tiyan, lumilipad, hingang malalim pag ikay nakikita.
Nakikita.
Pag may tinitignan ka.
Ang pangit pa ng songwriter nito.
Ikaw naman yung sa'yo.
Ano? Aamin na sa'yo, hindi magbabago.
Oo, may
May ganun?
Magbabago.
May ganun?
Hindi magbabago ang mga bagay na ating pagkakatiwalaan sa isang pinanghahawakan
Ng ating
mga
kalidad.
Oo, at kapayapaan.
Prinsipyo ng
Oo.
ating mga gagawin
Oo.
pa.
Boto sa balota!
Prinsipyo ng ating mga sarili, sa ating mga kapwa, sa nanay, tatay, at sa ating kapatid na pumupuri na lagi na sa ating bansa.
Yes.
Yes.
Yun yung lyrics?
Yeah.
Meron ganun.
Ay, ganun.
Haba naman.
Nabigay mo na.
Hindi na kami.
Ito may question dito. If you're gonna switch a parts with another member for Best I Love You, whose part?
I will just switch with my part.
Wow. Wala this. You're gonna switch with my part.
Dapat ibang member.
Oo nga.
I will just always choose myself.
Ikaw.
Oh, ikaw, JC.
I think they also choose my part.
I'm gonna choose,
Wait, you know, like, ako lang ang sana, please, baby.
yes, Alex part.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ako na lang, please, baby, please.
Miss,
Oh,
Miss na kita. Iba-iba din.
and you're gonna choose yung per person siya.
Yeah, I like the parang
Yeah.
yeah.
How about you?
I think I'll choose...
May second game ba ba?
Oh, may second.
JC, maligo ka na daw.
Can you smell the fishy out here?
Kaya pala sabi niya may naamoy ako kanina.
Yeah.
Huwag mababawa sa viewers pa. Sa
Tingin.
aura ko ngayon.
Aura.
Alright guys, please don't comment something right. It's our comeback, be happy, you know?
Yeah guys, mag-release yung audio mamaya at 12.
Oh! Totoo?
Oo.
Shit.
Best I love you.
Ano?
Shit. Shit.
Mama Shell! Oh, Mama Shell.
How about you?
Ikaw, ano?
Oh.
Hindi na naseryoso itong...
Yung ano?
Ano ba yung tanong? Switch apart with
Oh,
other member.
Siguro, yung part na nandito lang siya lagi.
Oh!
Yung part na hindi ka iniwan sa...
Go on! I support you.
Yung part na hindi ka iniwan.
Sa mga araw
Yung
na
mga naghihirap ka,
nangangailangan ka.
nangangailangan ka. Yung mga nandyan lang, sa tabi-tabi.
Nandyan lang.
Upang malaman mo ang katotohanan na sa kanyang puso.
Na hindi na pala
Ikaw na
ikaw
lang.
ang nasa kanyang puso.
Oo, sakit.
Oh.
Wait lang masyadong mabigat. Let's take
A break.
break.
Yes.
Silence
Kasi
muna
medyo...
tayo.
Silence.
na,
Okay, magpapalit tayo ng kanta. Hingin. Mukha niyan. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, nandito na kami lang.
Basa ng comments.
No! So for the second game, are you ready for the second game?
Yes! What is it?
Yeah, so for the second game, I've heard for the game 2, it's called the Best Partners. Just like our title, BES. Best Partners means BES, means
You're the best.
Best partner.
yeah.
If your partner knows you well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pro ko kasi ito, kilala ko.
Magbibigay ng category the two members will give answer. Dapat pareho.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, a partner. Tag team.
Me first!
Partner na sarili.
Oh, si Tui.
Sino yung JC partner ko?
Sige. So, Ash at saka Alex. Near guys sa camera.
Anong prize? Walang prize?
May prize or prize.
Oh my God!
What?
Oh!
May prize,
Okay.
prize.
Oh, dito.
Surprise.
Gamitin na... Ay, sige. Ano?
Ipakita kayo dalawa, tapos kayo muna sa likod.
Ikaw yung maglalaro eh.
Kayo muna.
Kahit nakaupo lang.
Okay, kami magbibigay ng kategorya.
Sino maglalaro?
Kayo
Ako dyan.
Wow!
Sino si Wamit ko kung magtanong mo?
Kasi... Okay, category. Game. Favorite color. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Purple!
May go pala. Sorry, one pa. Bakit si Alex nag-gets? Okay, ready? Go. Totoo na to. Okay. Kinakain sa tanghali. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tanghalian!
Nakakainis to. Ayoko tong
Oy,
kapwa.
bakit? Oy, gigil mo gano'n. Ganda ka. Sabi ni Ash, go!
Ikaw sabi ko.
Again. Favorite song sa EP na For You. 3, 2, 1, go!
Story! Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Sabi na.
Member ng Aja. 3, 2, 1, go! Alex! Yay! Next. Favorite breakfast. 3, 2, 1, go!
Itlog! Yeah!
Ito na, galing. Okay. Binibili sa convenience store. 3, 2, 1, go!
Juice!
Ano ba yun, Alex? Okay. Favorite hobby. 3, 2, 1, go!
Play!
Roblox!
Play?
Play!
Oy, same yun. Roblox play.
Oh, hindi yun isa. 2 points mo lang kayo. Next.
Ilan yan?
1 minute, okay. Favorite fruit. Favorite fruit. 3, 2, 1, go! Strawberry. Strawberry. Next. Favorite film. 3, 2, 1, go!
My phone!
Ano, honey? My film.
Honey the cockroaches.
Favorite cartoon. 3, 2, 1, go!
SpongeBob! Ano ba yan?
Ano na alam, Scarlet Witch na sabi ko.
Cartoon ba si Scarlet Witch?
Meron, animated series.
Next. Favorite person. 3, 2, 1, go!
Myself!
Okay, 3 points. Okay, out. Next. Pagkalokohan, pareho kayo na.
Try natin to.
Alam ko, naniniwala ako.
Ako, naniniwala din ako.
Favorite song sa Cornerstone P-pop groups. 3, 2, 1, go!
Storbe!
Ano sabi mo?
Shut up, yun!
Pagkamalapipang ka pala kami.
Okay, next.
Sorry.
Lugar sa Pilipinas. 3, 2, 1, go!
Bulacan.
Next.
Okay, game.
Binibili sa grocery. 3, 2, 1, go!
Chicken. Ay,
parehas!
Ano?
Chicken! Fried chicken! Oh! Tingko!
Luto na yung kanya.
Pwede yun! Pwede yun! Pwede yun!
Next. Favorite na sinusuot. 3, 2, 1, go!
Japanese yun.
Ay, Japanese shirt.
Wow, verification. Meron sa verification sa phone niya. Sorry, absent ha.
Ako yun. Okay, game.
Next. Favorite drink. 3, 2, 1, go!
Matcha.
Andayan, Daisy. Inantay niya.
Matcha.
Oh, next.
Tagalog kasi.
Parang mali pa lang siya.
Matcha.
Favorite person. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alex.
Ayaw niya kasi kay Alex.
And then, as ito na lang. Favorite member sa Aja? 3, 2, 1, go!
Alex!
Ah?
Ang daming, ay. Uwi na
Sorry,
tayo.
hindi talaga.
Usapan natin yun.
Tara na.
Isa pa.
Pinag-usapan namin yun. Sabi namin Alex.
Next!
Isa pa.
Last na.
Ay! 5 points.
Magbigay ng bansa. 3, 2, 1, go!
Pilipinas!
O, isa pa, tiebreaker.
Tiebreak.
Gusto ko-
Next. K-pop group. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah? Wala na talaga. Panalo kayo, Alex! Ha? Anong tight? Tulang kayo? Tulang! Tulang! Chicken lang kayo at saka yung Pilipinas.
Oo nga! Wala!
Ay, dance studio! Tiebreaker. Tiebreaker. Ah, sige, try isang apat. Isang apat.
Doon na tayo sa
Tiebreaker.
Ay, hindi.
O sino ang mali? Ay, hindi, ano ba? Ano?
Outside.
Outside. Ito. Tiebreaker, di ba?
Ay, ano ba? Paano ba?
Ito. Kung sino yung maka... Oo nga, paano ka
May partner pa rin. May partner pa rin.
Oh, by partner pa din. Oh, na ganyan yung pwesto. So kayo Alex and Ash. Okay, si Alex and Ash muna. Okay, Alex and Ash. Ang tanong,
Mag-iisip ko sa like ko yung cheese.
favorite subject? 3, 2, 1, go.
Math!
Oh.
Ano?
Ano yun?
Smart talaga.
Makagalan ako.
Hindi mo nasabi. Sabi,
Diba?
ala?
Wala na yun!
Wala na yun.
Okay, pwede din yung...
Ay, kasi
Pwede
hindi
din
ako
siyang
sumagot eh.
Mayans.
Ha?
Pwede din siyang Mayans.
Mape! May mape!
May mape.
Pwede din siyang
Malito!
Mali. Oh, tanggal. Oh, next.
Wait lang.
Next, okay, JC and Axel. Axel? Speech defect. Okay, JC and Axel.
Favorite hair color?
Favorite number? 3, 2, 1, go.
4!
Second chance kasi hindi ako sumagot.
Bawal hindi mape sa'yo eh!
Hindi, wait. Last, sige na.
Makabansa yung...
Pero panalo na sila. Okay, na-try lang to. Sige. Oh, go. Street food. 3, 2, 1, go!
Quick!
Oh, okay.
Tayo.
Hindi, panalo sila na una. Okay, panalo na.
Okay. Tapos na to, guys.
Inende. Go, promote.
Oy, Alex.
Guys, maglalabas
Ay,
po
wala
kami
may
ng...
nabasa. Aja Mascara Bacolod Festival. Kailan kayo pupunta?
Lipad na.
Kailan daw kayo lilipad?
Bukas na!
Bukas na.
Bukas na.
Bukas na agad.
Nagpapogi na lang. Ha?
Ano nga abangan nila?
Oh, guys. Ay, mga ganyan. Ang pangit.
Promote na kayo
Guys.
habang...
Sige, mag-ganyan. Ang mukha ni Alex.
feel like this is just my normal
Oo.
Pa-alien ka.
I feel like I'm just looking in the mirror.
Guys, so maglalabas po kami ng newest song. May-release na po siya mamayang 12 a.m. on all
True.
streaming platforms. Best I Love You po. Mag-pre-save na kayo now. Tsaka ma-release po siya. Tapos tomorrow po meron pong release ng MV ng 12 p.m. So, abangan niyo po. Tanghali. Abangan niyo po. Ano po? Magla-live din po kami tomorrow na 11 a.m. So, abangan niyo po kami. Yun po. Uy. Uy, mag-promote kayo. Ano ba yan? Mami T.
Ano na abangan nila? Ano yung lalabas mamaya?
Yung audio po ng Best I Love You, 12 a.m. on all streaming
Platforms like Spotify Music, Apple Music, and YouTube Music.
Ilan daw kayo po? Robinson's Antipolo.
Bukas na din!
August 2 po, pupunta kami sa Robinson's Antipolo ng August 2.
Ano gawin mo?
Ano ba kung ikaw mag-shopping? Ang pangit!
Oh, ito.
Ay, happy 500k likes daw.
Road to 10 million!
Yeah!
When daw sa Fairview?
28 po.
Ano oras?
4 p.m. po. Tama ba?
Abangan nila sa mga susunod.
Abangan na lang.
Meron pong mo show on July 28 sa SM Fairview with other P-pop idols. So, abangan niyo po kami doon po. Doon din natin ipaperform yung una natin, ano, diba?
Ipaalam niyo daw sila. Ipaalam niyo.
Paalam niyo. Kayo na yan.
Ipaalam niyo.
Yung mga nanay tsaka tatay dyan. Ipag pinapaalam na namin mga anak nyo, malaki na yung mga yan, kaya na nila sarili nila. Manunood sila, mag-iingat sila, alam
Paano
natin
sila
yan.
manonood?
Manonood sila, behave lang sila nakaganon, no? Payagan nyo na. Ganun lang sila, ma'am. Manonood sila ng
Sisigaw.
Ingatan namin yung voice nila, ng mga honeys.
Yes.
Paano
yung sigaw nila?
Oo, gano'n. Ano, honeys means sweet. Like, sugar. So,
Yeah.
so yung mga nanay dyan, please ang okay naman, tama na, minsan lang mabuhay yung mga yan. Baka mamatay na kami. Hindi, so payagan nyo na sila. So,
Sinasabi.
ingatan namin sila guys, in the bottom of our hearts. Ayan. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Oh, pag-usapan naman natin yung kanta natin.
O, yung kanta.
Serious matters.
Favorite part doon sa music part?
My favorite part of the music video is when they are videoing my part. So basically, I feel like that's the best part of the main music video event that happened. What about yours?
How about you?
How about you?
Oh, mine is my favorite part is my favorite part is when we see the stars on the nung nagkita tayo ng mga stars. True, with the star stamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Ipaglalabas eh. True.
When you see that, yes.
Sinasakman ako ni Ale.
Alex.
Yeah, that's kinda, you know, it's giving me kinder vibe.
Ako favorite ko yung Ibis!
Do you want me to get it?
No.
Sabihin mo ako.
Wow! So, yung favorite part ko yung may lalabas doon na ano, unexpected.
Yeah.
Magulat kayo. So, yung lalabas doon magaling sumayaw. B, Bettina lalabas. Biglang ko.
Ayun! Ikaw naman!
Gusto ko yung part na naka-jetpack tayo tapos lumilipad tayo sa sky.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Yeah, right?
Memorable.
Yeah, memorable.
And also the time when they video my part.
Yeah.
True. Lahat ng part mo,
Oo, parang,
parang MV mo na yun eh.
oo nga.
How did you know?
Oh. We know.
Gusto ko pa po nung...
Alex, host ka, di ba dun ka nga muna? Yan, ganyan na lang.
So guys, as
Dito ka?
question... Uy! Thank you po sa 1K viewers! Oh, sabi,
Wala.
kamusta po si Mama Dong? Okay naman po siya po.
Mama siya.
Si Mama siya din. Ay, ma-mention na natin.
Pa-shout out po ang birthday ko bukas, Ria. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Ria! Manigong bagong taon. Ouch! When kayo mag-visit... When kayo mag-visit Iloilo? Oh, Iloilo.
Bukas na! See you there!
See you there.
What message or emotions do you hope Hannis take away from this release?
Like this.
Anong message or emotions yung gusto niyong makuha nung Hannis sa release sa
Ah,
Si Joy.
Ito po.
Parang natatay.
nairing yan na guys. Ayun, iri.
Like that.
Nice. Yeah, nice.
So nice.
I really love
More
my...
emotion.
Okay. Okay, sa'yo.
I really love my partner.
I want them to be like, oh, that's it.
Okay. How about you?
Gusto ko ganun.
Hindi na ako magiging ano, hindi na akong gagawin yung art.
Ako, emotion na gusto kong maramdaman nila, relief, goods. Hindi,
Pero maraming binagyo.
Uy, sana yung mga naapektuhan pa ng bagyo ni Karina. So I hope you're safe there and sa mga, I hope,
Nabigyan na kayo ng relief goods.
and
Na nasa safe place na kayo.
yeah, I hope you guys safe
Yeah.
with your fur babies.
Tsaka guys, tandaan nyo, it's better to be safe kasi naman sa... Ayun.
Papa.
Oh.
Dapat safe.
Yeah, pero ang gusto kong maramdaman nyo, parang, happy.
Tingin. Oh my gosh, I really felt
Kasi
relief.
syempre, ayan.
True.
Oh no, narinig yung best I love you.
Paligyan natin.
Oh no.
Ayun, narinig yun.
Narinig na nila.
Anong favorite yung laruin sa Roblox? So, ikaw.
So, to start off, my first and favorite Roblox game would be anything Roblox game that requires a multiple player. And I believe that the special game that I really, really love to play is anything in two-player only. But I don't have someone to play with because, yeah. These two, their actives online on Roblox is gone. The last Roblox account they've been is from the last 2 weeks ago. And this, he haven't gone to Roblox because he's old.
Ikaw. In the Dragon City.
You play Dragon City with me and Minecraft and Adorable. I play Adorable Homes,
Ooh.
Minecraft
And,
Bake Sushi.
ooh, I don't know that,
Cooking,
but okay.
Yes. How about you? What's your favorite game in Roblox?
Alam niyo yung Animal Farm.
Oh my gosh, I know that!
Animal Farm ba sa Roblox?
Tapos, alam niyo yung Encantadia sa Roblox.
Oh yeah, I love that. Is that Encantadia?
Yeah, Encantadia.
I love
Sample.
Guys, wish.
I wish-
Huwag nyo Totoo.
I wish for something for the best of Acho.
Hindi matutupad ang wish pag sinisay out loud mo, Alex. So what you just said won't be happening.
You say, Abayga! Abayga! Rodrigo, Abayga! No! Say after us. Say after me. After me, say. 1, 2, 3, go. Abayga!
Abayga!
No! Abayga!
Abayga!
Go pala!
Uy, JC.
Oh,
Yan na.
oh, sorry.
Hindi namin alam yun. I think that's the same.
Sorry.
Sana makita ko na kayo in person.
Here we go!
Katabi How many hours do you practice every day now?
Oh.
We almost practiced like 24 hours. Right? At the Bettina, 24 hours a day.
24/7, yeah?
24/7.
Yeah, we don't have sleep now.
Yeah, like
Yeah, our schedule is really technique.
Kasi technique on your schedule.
I like your technique.
Ano ba yun?
Ooh. So how about
What time daw ulit yung Robinsons and the Boat?
Opo, meron po sa August 2.
Oh yeah.
see you in August 2.
Yeah.
More details to follow po, follow us at Aja OFC on all streaming platforms po.
Also streaming platform. On all social media accounts.
Yes.
Bakit? Pwede! Sa Spotify mag-post, no?
True.
Oh, di ba? May point naman.
SM Baguio win po.
Ooh.
Gusto ko po.
Soon po sa mall show.
Oo, Moncho.
Mall show?
Kapag nag-mall show, ano tayo?
Oo.
Mall tour.
Sige. Mall tour. Pag tayo, i-ano natin. Ano? Ang tag dito? Important. Ano ba ito important?
Papahalagahan.
VIP, the SM Baguio.
Oo, hindi. Hindi namin yan para lagpasan.
Ayun, priority.
Ipa-prioritize namin
Yeah.
yan. Pag dumating, yes na kagad. Di ba?
Yes.
Oo. See you
SM
there.
Baguio.
And I'm falling from cloud now.
Yes.
Wide awake,
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm wide awake.
Who are you?
I dress up just myself.
Oh.
No matter
Went
what.
sa Cebu.
Went to Cebu.
Ah, bukas na. Bukas na.
Gusto ko pumunta sa Cebu sa ano, may dried mangoes nila.
Wow.
Guys, gusto ko yung dried mangoes sa Cebu.
Yeah, I really love the Cebu, yes.
Oh, ano ang dream country niya?
My dream country would be Transylvania.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hotel.
Oh, ikaw, ano ba ang dream country mo?
my dream country is Japan.
Yes. Oh, how naman?
Kawaii.
Yes, ikaw.
I want to go to Paris.
Bonjour.
Country, hindi city. Country.
Bonjour.
First one would be friends.
Bonjour.
Friend. Bonjour.
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 How about you?
Oh, man.
How about you? What's your dream country?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yeah, I wanna be in a
My
Switzerland.
dream country pala is England.
When po Mindanao?
Bukas na yan.
We are in Mindanao.
Bukas.
Because ati
Ay, Jimmy, bakit?
When
Inay ni
down.
Alex, uy!
totoo.
When kinakalookan?
Bukas na din!
Hi! Malapit na sa inyo yun.
Ay, oo.
Binagay si Jason.
Oo, binagyo ko to sa Caloocan.
Hindi siya makatanggap na. Walang tumatanggap.
Walang tumatanggap.
Grab. He got stranded.
Yes.
I feel like lost, like Lord is testing me in 3 days.
Yes.
Like, Lord is bagyuing me. Like,
Not only you, the whole
country.
Kami
So-
din, we got flood.
Oh, yeah, I saw in your broadcast channel. It's really, yeah. So, yeah, I hope that everyone is safe right now and having a meal and
Having the greatest time of your life.
Ang cute mo, JC.
Thank you!
O, wrap up na.
Oh, wrap up, go.
Wrap up.
Alex, wrap.
Yeah, let's wrap it up.
Okay, Master Ricky.
Oh, ano po? Isabihin mo kayo sa video.
Ilang minuto na lang.
Oh my gosh, how many minutes will be left? It's 11:17. So when I mathematically this, look at my hands.
Let me see, let me see.
There's 10 fingers in my hand.
Okay.
10, 17 to be exact. Once I count this 17, 17,
Oh, tig mo yan.
17, yeah, like this, 17.
Oh, yeah.
Wrong!
Ikaw yung wrong.
It should be 3. Ooh.
Bakit?
Cause 17. Oh my gosh, people these days. And like this, when you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there'll be more 8 minutes before 8:20. Oh, it's 11:18. So there will be 2, 1. Yeah, I know it. 18. So it's counted like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 minutes left.
Well, when po SM North EDSA?
Bukas ka na.
Gusto ko punta kami ng bukas.
Kailan Bulacan?
Oo, pag mayabaha sa amin. So,
At yan lang?
so,
Ano ba na?
it's, see you in SM Malolos. Robinson pala! Robinson Malolos, guys.
Iba na ano?
May bag.
Hindi.
See you there, everyone.
Yan daw sa bahay namin.
Well, who's your favorite boy group? Ano daw? Aja po.
Aja.
Wrap up na. Tapos wrap up.
Okay, bye.
Wrap up.
Such a, you know, that's my favorite wrap that my mom made me. It's a very wrap food.
Such a long night nga. So,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sobrang nag-enjoy tayo lahat, pero siyempre, sadly, we gotta end this live. Pero bukas makikita naman nila tayo ulit.
Yeah, with a new look.
11
With
a.m.
a new one.
Ganito pa rin kami.
With a new
Game
look.
ready.
Oh,
With a
yeah,
new look.
such a rap night it is. So we would like to thank everyone who have been watching us from the very first start,
Thank
like
you.
10 p.m. So there'll be like 2 hours and 30 minutes of watching here, and I just like TikTok account. So we would like to thank everyone who have been supporting us from the very first start of when we started this. So we would like to thank everyone for giving this opportunity to give life to one another. So yeah, how many minutes left before we proceed to the song? 40. Sakto?
Yes.
Yeah! So there'll be gonna be like 40 minutes left before Best I Love You drop!
Oh my God!
Before Best I Love You drop. So we're gonna give them a sound. 1, 2, 3, go! Best I Love You.
Isa pa,
It's like new.
Dito, isa pa.
1, 2, 3, go! Best I Love You.
Isa pa nga, parang may something. 1, 2, 3, go.
Masala.
Then, 3, 2, 1, go! Best I love you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Best I love you.
Parang may something talaga. Pili ko wag na lang po. Bukas talaga, abangan nyo kami. So, manonood kayo bukas ha. Yung mga manonood kayo bukas ng 11 a.m. Maaga yun.
Kung kaya nyo pa ngayon, dapat magkaroon kayo ng mayroon kayong camera, tapos papakita nyo yung sound, tapos ito pa rin sound. Gusto ko ng reaction video nyo for the sound mo na, tapos bukas ulit yung MP. But for sound mo sinasabi ko ito so.
Oo.
Isa pa, feeling ko kailangan pa ng isa pa.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Best I love you. May off pa rin.
Parang may something.
Let me just sing it. Let me just sing
Siya na
it.
lang daw.
1, 2, best I love you.
Ang pangit pala ng kantang
Oh,
eh.
ikaw naman.
Best I love you.
Ay,
Sweet.
yeah.
How about you?
Ikaw naman. How about you?
Ikaw na.
What do you think?
Uy! Ikaw. Pili ko.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Best I love you.
Yes.
Ikaw naman.
Wait lang. Kailangan ko.
Go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Oh.
Narinig ko yung Ash doon ah.
Ay, di
I feel like the ash between. Oh my gosh, so no.
Yeah.
Me!
I love you.
Ah.
Best I love you.
Thank you so much.
Best I love you. Oh, best I love. Best I love. One, two, three, go.
Ayun na nga! Ayaw na enjoy tayo lahat at magpapaalam na kami kasi ilang minuto na lang.
Abangan nyo guys, 12 a.m.
12 a.m.
So,
Mamaya na.
tag, ano yung tweet?
Oo nga, hashtag.
Aja! Hashtag.
Best I love you and hashtag
Aja underscore comeback and hashtag Aja.
I love you.
Makikisabay kami sa inyo mamaya, mag-tweet din kami ng marami.
Oo.
Ay, tweet lang kayo! Mga topics!
Baka mag-video din kayo,
Yung ano yung favorite part nyo.
Yeah, I feel like my part like is
Feel ko, sa akin talaga favorite ko. Pero honest ano yun, honest ano.
I love my part like
Ano kasi yung kunyari, isang member, kayo yung part pinaka-gusto.
Me, I love the Yeah, I really love
I like the part of Ash.
Oh, ikaw.
I like the part where it's supposed to be mine. I like it. It should be mine.
It's my it's the
Competition. There's a competition.
there's the
I like it! No, I like Axel's part in the second verse.
no one likes my part. At least I like mine.
Where you gotta take a deep breath.
And gonna be like
No.
No, we don't like your part.
Your part is like, oh my god. I like Kuya JC's part.
No. No, because you have yourself always, diba?
Oh, now only you like your part. We don't like
my
yours.
eyes, it's hurting.
Joke lang. Gusto namin yung part niya Akal.
Oh, music dyan.
Okay guys, wrap up.
So ayun, I hope na sana magustuhan niyo yung
Ayun.
era namin. Ay ano, sana magustuhan niyo yung era namin ngayon. Yung concept, the visuals, and everything. And samahan niyo kami sa pag-build ng concept namin. By posting something, by commenting, I mean tweeting cute stuff.
Yes.
Let's
So tweet me.
I wanna know your
Tweet
thoughts
me.
then. So, lagyan niyo hashtag para makita namin.
Oh, sa Aja Best I Love, hashtag Aja underscore Best I Love You. Makikita namin yung mga thoughts nyo and yung mga favorite parts nyo sa song.
Hashtag Aja underscore comeback.
Yeah.
Hashtag Aja. Tweet lang tayo guys. Mag-ano din tayo talaga mamaya. Ay! I-release din pala
Oo
yung
nga.
video.
Oh my gosh! Really?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hindi natin nasabi,
So-
marami nang bumili sa live natin, mga isa.
You better stay
1K pa rin
tuned.
sila, 1K pa rin sila.
Yeah, stay tuned on YouTube as well because ma-release ang lyric video na Best I Love You.
We really love the lyric video, right?
Yeah, it's very...
It's super nice.
Let's
So, you
sing,
gotta watch it.
Let's sing our EP songs before Best I Love You come out. Let's
Oh,
start
Torpe.
with the title drop.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, go. Baby, baby, it's a lovely honey, honey, honey. Bago nga masasabihin ang nakarama, di mag-isip, di masabi ang iba. Let's go to Torpe. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 3, let's go. Di matorpe, sana di matorpe. 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 Let's go to the best day ever. 1, a 2, a 1, 2. It's the best day ever. The best day ever. The best day ever. The best day ever. Let's go to the copy kick. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, go. Copy, copy, clean, cut us in sing every day. Ah, ah, ah.
Yan o.
Ayun na, pag-alata mo ano yun.
Now let's do the best. I love you. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Best I love you. Oh, yun.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Best I love you.
Ano ba yan?
Wow.
1, 2, 3, go. Best I love you.
Alex.
Ano ba ako?
Si Alex.
Ano ba? Hindi ko nakalimutan ko.
Best I love you. Best I love you.
Best I love you.
Kaya sa amin.
Best I love you. Tayong dalawa. Tapos kayo yung melody.
Best I love you.
Oo, kayo dalawa. Best I love you.
1, 2, 3. Okay, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Baladi ako. Ganun.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo. 1, 2.
2, 3, go.
Best I love you.
Huwag na kumanta ang pangit.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for this one.
Abangan nyo!
Okay.
Picture for the gang. Broming, okay lang yan.
Well, kayo na lang kumain.
Go, 1, 2, 3, go.
Cause you're the best friend. Okay na, gamit.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Naka-unmute na.
1, 2, 3, go.
Best I love you.
Ah!
Dahil yung boys.
Pero ko, ito na yung sign na mag-wrap up na talaga.
Mag-training na
Hindi
bukas.
kasi malamig kasi.
Ayan na! 30 minutes left before the best I love you comes out. So use the tags and we will also see you guys